Hi there, Misilla here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful wreath that you can use for the holidays or even for a wedding for under 20 bucks in 20 minutes. So I got the parts from Michael's craft store. The floral wreath is only $5.99. It's like a cardboard type and it has holes which made it easier to attach the flowers. And I just used pipe cleaners to attach the flowers. And I got the flowers for $2.10 at Michael's. They were on clearance, but I'm sure you can find similar flowers at a Dollar Tree or dollar store near you. And I just used a ribbon that I already had on hand. So, beautiful, simple craft or wreath that you can make under 20 minutes for around 20 bucks. So here's my tutorial. I hope that you find it helpful and enjoyed it as well. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. First, you need an 18-inch floral craft ring. I picked this up at Michael's. 9 of these hydrangea stem flowers. So I just cut off the stem. So we're just going to be using the flowers. I saved the leaves. We'll be putting this on after we put the flowers on. To attach the flowers, simply put your pipe cleaner through. Place your flower on top of the wreath and then loop it through just like that. Grab the other side of the pipe cleaner and bring it towards the back of the wreath. Flip it over so you can see, and then you just twist it. For hanging, I'm going to use a gold ribbon. It's just pretty simple. Just put it around there. You can tie into a bow and it is ready for hanging. Love how beautiful this turned out for such a simple and inexpensive craft, and I spent under $20. So make sure to take advantage of those clearance items and coupons. Thanks for watching.